good morning everyone, and what a beautiful morning it is here in France on the Spanish border. Well, we've got to go up through the Pyrenees, but we're only about 45 minutes from Spain. Steve's emptying the Portaloo. It's 9 o'clock in the morning. There's a little bird, he sat up there, that's all it is. 9 o'clock in the morning. This is our view. We're packing moose up, because we'll be on our way soon. And we have an open vista out of moose. It was a very cold night, as you can see by the roof of that house. It's got frost on. Probably, what did it get to this morning, Stephen? About -2 again? That's out of our other window. What you lost?
Top.
What?
Top.
The top for what?
That.
The spare top?
Yeah. What are you looking for?
You told me to put it in there.
Okay.
We'd never used our Portaloo before, so we're finding bits for it. Well, I say before this journey we'd never used it. And we've had moose a year, but we'd always been on campsites where we had toilets and showers. And how clear and beautiful is that scenery. The workmen are in now because it's Monday, so it's Monday the 31st of March 2025. You can nearly see every little tree up there. There's a little house up there as well. And right on that green bit, there's a tiny little house. As I say, how beautiful is this place? We're in a little village called Laruns, or on the outskirts of a village called Laruns, at a camping car air. Cost us €15.20 for the night. It is basic facilities. We've got electric hookup. Waste dump or somewhere to drop the wastewater, which we will be doing before we go. Toilet waste cleaner, with a tap to clean it, but there's no actual fresh water. Are you sure these aren't fresh water taps? So Steve's saying no, there's no fresh water, because he just sees what he sees, and if there's no thing, then looks like you'd have to have a different adapter for that anyway, wouldn't you? Hey? Yeah, so just a quick one to say good morning. Hope you're all well. And let you share our beautiful view. There's Moose's solar panel on his roof. As I say, it did get very cold last night. Don't think our neighbours are up yet, are they, Stephen?
Eh?
Don't think our neighbours are up yet, are they?
The doggies or the horses?
The horses. Oh yeah, he's over there, look. Don't know if you can see him. Or not. No, these are a bit strange. No, they put these so you can't actually see them. Can you see them? There's one. Yeah, there they are. come munching up at the bottom of here, eating all the grass, long grass that's growing through. And I say electric hookups. And there are, I think, 45 pitches on here, 43 with electric and 2 without. Hard standing at the top here. Are they hard standing down below? Yeah, we're packing up, ready to go down into the village where the road up into the mountains starts, and then we'll be going up into the Pyrenees, which is only about 45 minutes to Spain. Our number plate had started to come off.
A dodgy job.
So it's a bit of a rustic job for now, but better than losing the number plate. The electric can come out now. Eh? Yeah. Yeah, so Spain's about 45 minutes away from here, but we will probably be messing around in the Pyrenees for a little while before going over the border to Huesca. People are off on their holidays, different places in aeroplanes. I think we've got the best views rather than flying over the top. Anyway, as I said before, I'll let you go. I finish off getting ready and going off in moose. I'll catch you a bit later. As I've said before, please consider subscribing to our channel. It is free. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up and ring that bell so you get to know whenever we load another video, which when we're away we usually do put quite a lot on. And there is quite a lot on there already from different holidays in England and Wales. So we will catch you all later. Have a good morning. Bye.